In a rain-soaked alley, a small orange tabby named Milo learned to survive on scraps and quiet courage. He wandered empty streets until a wary stray dog offered escort and a flicker of unexpected warmth. A kind shelter volunteer found him, carried him to safety, and promised a future brighter than the nights he knew. Milo formed a deep bond with a rescued cat named Luna, sharing blankets and hopeful purrs by a sunlit window. Days turned to trust as care grew into a forever home, where Milo finally learned to dream again.